When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades offer as much value as window replacement. For homeowners in Laurel, replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient options can dramatically enhance your home's comfort, aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and security. While DIY window replacement may seem tempting, there are significant advantages to hiring professional window replacement services to ensure the job is done correctly, efficiently, and safely. In this article, we'll explore the key benefits of professional window replacement in Laurel, and why it's a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their homes. Increased energy efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of replacing old windows is the immediate impact on energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane models, tend to be poor insulators, allowing drafts and heat loss that can cause your home to become less energy efficient. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows. Professional window replacement in Laurel involves the installation of modern, energy-efficient windows designed to minimize heat transfer. These windows typically feature double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas insulation, all of which help prevent warm air from escaping in the winter and block unwanted heat from entering during the summer. Lower utility bills. With energy-efficient windows, your home will stay cooler in summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. As a result, you'll notice lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. By investing in professional window replacement, you'll enjoy long-term savings on your utility bills while helping reduce your home's overall environmental impact. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows are a prominent feature of your home's exterior, and replacing old, worn-out windows with modern, stylish options can significantly improve your home's curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a more attractive living space, new windows can make a noticeable difference in how your home looks. Aesthetic variety. Professional window replacement services in Laurel offer a wide selection of window styles, from double-hung and casement windows to bay and picture windows, allowing you to choose the best design to complement your home's architecture. Customizable options. In addition to style options, you can also choose frame materials such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, depending on your preferences and budget. These upgrades will not only enhance the exterior of your home but can also increase its market value. Replacing your old windows with modern, aesthetically pleasing options is a quick and effective way to boost your home's exterior appeal, making it more inviting and attractive to visitors and potential buyers. Improved security and safety. Old windows can pose security risks. Worn-out locks, cracked glass, or frames that no longer fit properly can make it easier for intruders to gain access to your home. Professional window replacement offers an opportunity to increase your home's security by installing high-quality, durable windows equipped with modern security features. Stronger materials. Modern windows are made from stronger materials, such as reinforced glass or laminated glass, making them more difficult to break. Many replacement windows also come with multi-point locking systems for enhanced security, ensuring that your home is better protected. Better protection for your family. Not only do new windows make it harder for burglars to break in, but they also provide better protection in the event of extreme weather, such as high winds or storms. Many professional window replacement services offer impact-resistant windows that are designed to withstand harsh conditions, offering added peace of mind. By replacing your old windows with professionally installed, secure options, you're enhancing the safety of your home and family. Reduced maintenance and better durability. One of the drawbacks of old windows is the constant maintenance they require. Over time, wooden windows can rot, peel, or warp, while metal windows may rust, and even vinyl windows can become brittle and cracked. This ongoing maintenance can be both time-consuming and costly. Low-maintenance materials. Professional window replacement services in Laurel offer windows made from durable, low-maintenance materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials. These materials require little upkeep, reducing the need for frequent painting, sealing, or repairs. Long-term durability. With high-quality materials and professional installation, new windows will last longer and perform better, saving you the hassle and cost of frequent repairs or replacements. Many modern windows come with warranties, ensuring that you are protected from defects or issues for years to come. With new windows installed by professionals, you can enjoy years of reliable performance and minimal upkeep, making it a smart investment for the future. Professional expertise and proper installation. While DIY window replacement may seem like a cost-saving option, it often leads to problems down the road, including poor sealing, water damage, and inefficient performance. Professional window installers in Laurel have the experience and knowledge to ensure that your new windows are installed correctly the first time, maximizing their performance and longevity. Precise installation. Experienced professionals know how to measure, fit, and seal your windows to ensure the perfect installation. Proper installation is essential for preventing air leaks, ensuring energy efficiency, and maintaining the structural integrity of your home. Peace of mind. When you hire a professional, you can rest assured that the job will be done right. Most professional window replacement companies also offer warranties on both materials and labor, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're protected in case any issues arise. Conclusion. Professional window replacement in Laurel offers numerous benefits, from improved energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal to better security, safety, and durability. By choosing to replace your old windows with high-quality, professionally installed options, you're making a smart investment in the long-term comfort, value, and performance of your home. Whether you're looking to reduce energy bills, increase security, or simply enjoy a more attractive and functional living space, professional window replacement is the way to go. Reach out to a trusted window installation expert today and enjoy the many advantages that come with a new set of windows for your home.